Find the sum of a given set of numbers. We have addition of three numbers. First two are negative, second is positive. When we add two negative numbers, what we have to do, we start from the left side and we are going to the right. We have only addition here. Two negative numbers, so we copy negative sign and we add 25 and 27, and of course plus 50. So this is equal, negative sign we have to copy, 25 plus 27, this is 52, plus 50. Now we have addition of two numbers. First is negative, second is positive. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. We just have numbers 52 and 50. 52 is greater than 50, of course. So we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So copy negative sign and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal negative 52 minus 50 is 2. So our solution is negative 2.